Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you my weekly deep conditioning routine. Because I have a short hairstyle, it is quite high maintenance, and I do use quite a lot of heat on my hair, so I try to make sure that I look after it, so I give it moisture and I just do all the stuff that it likes basically. So this is the first step to how I achieve my hairstyle. So I'm going to be doing like 2 videos on how I style my hair. So this is the first part, obviously how I'm deep conditioning and blah 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 blah, and then the next stage will be how I curl it and how I maintain it throughout the week. So yeah, if you're interested in all of this, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and it will be amazing. Can't even speak. But yeah, let's get started. I just want to say first of all, apologies for the face because I literally just finished work like an hour ago, so my makeup is crusty as hell, but you know, I'm gonna wash it off later on, so I don't want to redo it just for a video. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna show you how I wash my hair because my bathroom isn't set up for me to be filming in there. It's kind of awkward for me to film. So I'm just going to show you the products I'm going to use, and then I'm going to come back and show you my deep conditioner and how I apply it, all that blah blah blah. So the first thing I'm going to do to this hair is I'm going to be using the Dr. Miracle's Feel It Formula Cleanse and Condition. It's a conditioning shampoo, but I like to shampoo my hair. This is a shampoo conditioner, so it's a shampoo, but it's not. I found that this is it's not drying. And because I use quite a lot of product in my hair during the week, I need to wash my hair and remove all the dirt because it gets really dirty throughout the week. If I feel like my hair is not dirty, then I'll just use a conditioner. But I haven't shampooed my hair for a while, so I thought it'd be good to use this. And I really like Dr. Miracle stuff, and I do perm my hair with Dr. Miracle's. If you do want to see how I like relax my hair and stuff like that, please comment down below because I want to do one. I think I'm going to relax my hair in like a week and a half, so not a week, I might do it in a week and a half, something like that. But anyway, let me know if you want me to do that. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair 2 times with this, and then I will be back. Okay, so I've washed my hair. I literally washed it like really quick. It wasn't anything major because I don't want my hair to get too dry. I just want to get out all that dirt. So now I'm going to be doing the best part of the video, which is doing the deep condition. So I'm going to be using the Sheer Moisture Anti-Breakage Strengthening Hair Mask. It's with baobab oil and cilantro extract, and it's for frizzy, split and breaking hair. Obviously I feel like when you relax your hair, you're prone to breakage and hair splitting, so I like this one. So I'm just going to use a plastic spoon, which I keep. I don't really like wasting plastic spoons, you know, because the environment, going into the sea, what type of stuff. I have a thing about plastic, so keep your plastic spoons and reuse it for a little bit. So I'm just going to take some of this conditioner, and I'm just going to put it into a mixing bowl. You can use your hands, but I'm trying to be extra for, you know, YouTube. To be honest, you could just use this by itself, but I want to add a little bit more extra moisture, you know, to the whole shebang. So I'm going to be taking some olive oil. I'm going to be taking a bit of this, and then I'm going to take some peppermint oil, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of that, like literally a few droplets. You can use any oils you want. I'm just going to use these 2 because I like them. So I'm just going to mix that together, and then I'm just going to apply that to my scalp, my whole head. With this hair mask, you can leave it on for literally like 5 minutes and then wash it off. But obviously you can also do it as like a deep conditioning treatment, which is what I'm going to do, where you leave it on for around like 30 minutes and then you apply heat. I don't have one of those fancy little heat things, and I don't even have a shower cap, so we're going to use the trusty old cling film. So I'm going to wrap the cling film around my head.
Just one of them.
Okay, now that I look like a creep, I'm gonna just apply a headscarf on top of that because I might go and walk my dog as well while I do this, so that I waste a bit of time. You know, multitasking is key when it comes to deep conditioning your hair. Okay, so and now I have my headscarf wrapped. I'm probably going to leave this on for like 30 plus minutes. I feel like 30 minutes doesn't really do much for me. Like I want it to be on for quite a little bit longer. But you can leave on for just 30 minutes because what it says on the hair mask. But yeah, I'm going to leave this on my head for as long as I can be bothered. And then I'm going to wash it off and then I'll be back to do the next step with you. Okay, so I have washed my hair literally because of the peppermint oil. Was it peppermint oil? Yeah. Because of the peppermint oil, my hair feels just like really nice and tingly, and I feel like it really helps with like my itchiness of my hair. Like when I use this oil, it really helps. Like I don't feel like my scalp is really itchy. So I'm just gonna take down this mess. My hair's a little bit damp, but I like doing this for when I wrap my hair. I'm going to be taking the Dr. Miracle's leave-in conditioner. I really like this leave-in conditioner. I got it as a sample in the relaxer. Like, I don't really buy it. I could buy the big box, but because I relax my hair, it comes in the box, so I don't really need to buy it. But I really, really like this leave-in conditioner. And I only use a tiny bit. Literally, my hair looks like I've just freshly relaxed it. It's so smooth and flat. Lovely. And then I'm going to be taking this Cream of Nature. It's a creamy oil moisturising hair lotion. I really like this because it's very moisturising, and sometimes if my hair's feeling kind of dry, I might just only like put this in my hair. I put like a tiny bit in my hair, like nothing major. Just one of them. And then finally, I'm going to be taking some of that olive oil just to seal in all of that moisture. Is there a reason why you're making noise, Tina? Eat quietly. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be using the hair mousse, and this is a Cream of Nature and it's their Styling and Shine Foaming Mousse. I like to wrap my hair with a hair mousse the day before I go and curl it, just because it's nice and flat and it's like kind of in a position and it makes it easy for me to style. But in my next video I'm going to show you how I go from wrapping my hair to curling it. But in this video I'm just going to show you how I prep for the next day. Just one of them. So now that I've done this, if you have like those, I don't know what they're called, but they're like those little paper things that you wrap on your hair, that would be a nice suggestion to use because you won't leave like marks on your head. But I'm just going to use a headscarf to tie this down just to keep it flat. And this really, really helps when it comes to styling in the morning because obviously it's super flat and it's just easy to tongue, but obviously I'll explain that to you in another video. I also like to use a stocking cap as well just to hold the headscarf in place because I don't know about me, but I enjoy my sleep. So sometimes I'll wake up and my headscarf is doing the Ray J, so I try to make sure that I have it like secured as possible basically. And then this could be enough for you, but I like to just go in with my headscarf because I want it to be as flat as possible. But I don't tie everything super heavy, super tight, because it's just gonna give me a headache. So this is my weekly deep conditioning routine. It's really simple and basic. Like, this doesn't have to take this long. Like, sometimes I don't even do the deep conditioning. I just condition my hair and leave it in for 5 minutes with another oil, just something that just so I can get some like moisture back into my hair, because obviously during the week I'm straightening it quite a lot and does get quite dry. So I will leave this overnight, and in the morning I will go to curl my hair. If you are interested in seeing how I style my hair in the morning, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. That would be amazing, and I will see you in that video if you want to see it. So yeah, bye guys.